Hey everyone, in this video we're going to explore the top 6 AI no-code app builders. Starting with Hostinger Horizons. This platform has been making a lot of noise recently, so let's break down what it really offers. What is Hostinger Horizons? Hostinger Horizons is an AI-powered no-code app builder designed for people who want a fully all-in-one experience. Think of it as a personal AI developer and hosting service combined. Instead of juggling code, hosting, databases, and deployment separately, Horizons manages everything under one roof. You can literally describe the app you want using natural language prompts, and Horizons builds it for you. You simply type, for example, "Build me an app with a login page and a product catalog," and Horizons generates it. No code simplicity. It's designed for non-technical users. You don't need coding skills, but you still get real production-ready apps. Full stack integration. Horizons covers front-end, back-end, databases, and even hosting. It connects to popular services like Stripe for payments and Supabase for database functionality, all configured through prompts. One-click deployment. Once your app is ready, you can publish it instantly with hosting included. Pricing. Pricing starts at around $14 per month if billed annually, or $19 per month if you want to pay monthly. Higher tier plans scale with the number of AI messages you can use, with advanced plans costing around $80 per month for heavy users. All plans include hosting, a domain, and unlimited apps, so you don't have to worry about hidden costs. Hostinger Horizons is ideal for solo entrepreneurs, students, and non-technical creators who want to test business ideas, build side projects, or create MVPs without hiring a developer. If your main goal is to launch a functional app quickly without worrying about setup, Horizons is a fantastic choice. That wraps up Hostinger Horizons. Next, let's move on to our second AI app builder, Lovable, which takes a very different approach. Lovable is an AI-powered no-code app builder that has quickly gained popularity in 2025. Instead of relying only on drag-and-drop interfaces like many no-code tools, Lovable takes an AI-first approach. You simply describe the app you want in plain English, and it generates both the design and the underlying code for you. The platform is designed to work as an AI pair programmer, helping users speed up the process of building full-stack applications. It's flexible enough for beginners who can stick with simple prompts, while also providing the depth that developers need through direct access to a browser-based code editor. This dual approach makes Lovable appealing not only to non-technical users who want to build apps quickly, but also to startups, product teams, and developers looking for an AI boost in their workflow. One of Lovable's strongest features is its browser-based IDE. This isn't just a black box where the AI spits out results. You can actually dive in, view the code, and make adjustments whenever you like. Alongside the editor, there's an AI assistant built in, which can explain code snippets, fix bugs, or generate additional functionality based on your prompts. It feels a lot like having a coding partner who's always available. For collaboration, Lovable really shines with its GitHub integration and real-time editing. Teams can sync their projects to GitHub for version control, and multiple people can work on the same project simultaneously, similar to how Google Docs works for writing. This makes it a strong choice for group projects and professional workflows. In terms of integrations, Lovable connects smoothly with Supabase for databases and Stripe for payment systems. You can also add other APIs through prompts or code customization. Lovable works best for anyone who wants to move quickly from idea to working prototype, but also needs the flexibility to refine or scale the project later. Whether it's a solo founder testing a new product, a developer building faster with AI, or a team collaborating on a SaaS project, Lovable provides a balance of speed and control that few other platforms can match. Bolt.new is an AI-powered app builder that focuses on helping developers and teams move from idea to production faster. Unlike many pure no-code platforms, Bolt takes a developer-first approach while still being beginner-friendly. You can describe what you want in natural language, and Bolt will generate structured code. But the difference is that you also get direct access to that code. This makes it flexible enough for both quick prototypes and more complex projects. A big strength of Bolt is that it doesn't just stop at code generation. It also includes hosting, deployment, and domain support, which means you don't need to juggle multiple tools. Whether you're creating a simple website, a SaaS app, or an internal tool, Bolt gives you the option to launch it live straight from the platform. For teams, it adds collaboration features, admin controls, and centralized billing, making it a realistic choice for startups or growing companies that want to streamline development. Now, let's talk pricing. Bolt offers a free plan, which is great for testing and smaller personal projects. The Pro plan costs $25 per month and is aimed at individuals who want unlimited projects without daily limits. The Teams plan costs $30 per month per member, and that's where you unlock team-level features like granular access management. Finally, there's an Enterprise plan with custom pricing, which includes advanced security, dedicated support, and flexible billing for larger organizations. In short, Bolt.new is ideal if you're a developer who wants AI to speed up coding while still keeping full control, or if you're part of a team that needs collaboration and scale. It bridges the gap between no-code convenience and developer flexibility, making it one of the stronger AI app builders available in 2025. V0 is an AI-powered app builder created by Vercel, the company behind Next.js. Unlike some no-code platforms that keep you away from the underlying code, V0 is built specifically with developers and designers in mind. It uses natural language to generate production-ready React components and full applications that are instantly deployable on Vercel's hosting platform. One of the most powerful things about V0 is its deep integration with the Vercel ecosystem. If you're already using Vercel for hosting or Next.js for development, V0 fits right in. It's designed to take your idea, turn it into real code, and then let you ship it to production in a few clicks. You can also import from tools like Figma, making it really appealing for designers who want to go from a visual mockup to a functioning app quickly. Now let's talk pricing. V0 has a free plan which includes basic features for testing and experimenting. The premium plan costs $20 per month and unlocks higher usage limits, Figma imports, and API access. Finally, the team plan costs $30 per month per user, which adds collaboration features, centralized billing, and shared credits across your team. For startups or developer teams working together, this plan is likely the sweet spot. In short, V0 is best for developers and design-focused teams who want AI to accelerate their workflow without sacrificing flexibility. If you're already part of the Vercel ecosystem, it's a natural choice. And even if you're not, it's one of the most developer-friendly AI app builders available right now. Builder.io is a platform designed to help businesses and entrepreneurs create and ship apps or websites faster without needing deep technical knowledge. Unlike many no-code tools that stick to simple drag and drop, Builder.io combines AI with modular development, allowing users to generate pages or entire apps that feel customized while still being faster and more cost-effective than traditional coding. The standout feature is its AI-powered workflow. With its publish option, you can generate and publish pages directly with AI, while the Fusion mode, currently in beta, allows teams to scale code at any level. This combination makes it useful for both smaller projects and larger organizations aiming to move quickly. What also sets Builder.io apart is that it's designed not just for prototyping, but for production-level use. Teams can optimize content, integrate with existing workflows, and keep scaling without hitting the usual limits of traditional no-code platforms. Now let's look at pricing. Builder.io offers a free plan at $0 per user per month, great for individuals and small teams testing out smaller projects. The Pro plan costs $39 per user per month, offering more advanced capabilities and better suited for larger teams shipping more content. Finally, for bigger organizations, the Enterprise plan comes with custom pricing, which includes scalability, enterprise integrations, and dedicated support. Overall, Builder.io positions itself as an AI-accelerated no-code solution, not just for quick builds, but for continuous scaling and optimization. For teams that want both AI-powered page generation and enterprise-level flexibility, it's a strong option to consider. What is Base 44? Base 44 is a no-code, AI-driven platform designed to help you build web apps without having to worry about coding, hosting, or database setup. Instead of dealing with all the technical overhead, you can just describe your idea, and Base 44 will generate a working app for you, including the design, the backend, the login system, and even analytics. It was actually acquired by Wix earlier this year, which gives it more credibility for long-term support. Now let's talk about features. The first big one is AI app creation. You can literally say something like, "Create me dashboard for small business owners." It should be able to track revenue, expenses, and customer growth. And within minutes, the system builds it for you. The second is the visual editor. Once the AI has created your app, you can go in and adjust layouts, change colors, or move elements around with a simple drag and drop interface. The third is that the backend is included. It automatically sets up authentication, user logins, databases, and even basic analytics. Then there's one-click deployment, which means you can launch your app instantly with a shareable link or connect your own domain if you're on a paid plan. Now let's look at the pricing in 2025. There's a free plan that costs $0 and it gives you 25 message credits per month, which is fine for testing ideas. The starter plan is $20 per month or $16 if billed yearly. That gives you 100 message credits and unlimited apps. The Builder plan is $50 per month with 250 message credits and the ability to use custom domains. The Pro plan is $100 per month with 500 message credits, and the Elite plan is $200 per month with 1,200 credits and every feature unlocked. Overall, the pricing is competitive, especially the free and starter tiers if you just want to test or launch small projects. On the plus side, it's incredibly fast. You can go from idea to live app in the same day. It's truly all-in-one, covering design, backend, hosting, and analytics. So those are my top 6 AI app builders right now. The best part is you don't need coding experience to get started. Each of these platforms makes it simple to turn ideas into apps quickly. If you've tried any of them, let me know in the comments.